Hello, I'm Carl Watson, advisor of the welding program on SCC Somerset campus. The program is also offered on our Laurel campus, where Jeff Abner is the advisor. In the welding program, students receive training in several areas, including sheet metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. Many employment opportunities are available to successful students. Thanks for visiting our webpage, and please contact me or Jeff if you have any questions. And thanks for considering Somerset Community College.